So therefore, since both equation graph intersect to each other at point 1 2.5. Clear? Okay, at point 1 2.5. Therefore 1 2.5 is the solution of both equation. Clear? So this is your final answer. Clear? Now you come to the sixth question. Sixth question. Okay, sixth question is there. Two x minus 3y is equal to 4. Two x minus 3y is equal to 4, and x minus, sorry, next is what? 3y minus x is equal to 4. Clear? 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. Clear? So these two equations are there. We have to make it their graph and graphical solution we have to find out. So first of all we will make table for the first graph. Okay, first equation. तो देखिए क्या हो जाएगा. Now its solution will be, since 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Clear? Therefore 2x minus 4 is equal to 3y. Clear? Therefore y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. Okay? Clear? Y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. Now this is the table here. Okay, and x y. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here x y x comma y. Okay, so here what? So if we are taking x is equal to minus 1, suppose that. Okay, so how much you will get? X is equal to minus 1, so 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 upon 3, that is what? Minus 2. Okay, so here is what, minus 1 comma minus 2. Okay, and if we are, suppose that we are taking x is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 2 is 4, 4 minus 4 0, so x is equal to 2 if you are taking. So 2 2 is 4, 4 minus 4 0, 0 upon 3, that is what, 0. Okay, so we are getting 2 comma 0. Okay, now we come to, if x is equal to, suppose that we are taking 5. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 4 6, 6 upon 3, that is what, 2. So here is what, 5 comma 2. Okay, now 8 4. Now suppose that if you are taking 8, x is equal to 8, so 8 2s are 16, 16 minus 4 12, 12 upon 3, that is what, 4. So you are getting what, 8 comma 4. Clear? So here minus 1 minus 2, 2 0, 5 2 and 8 4. These are the table you can see. Now we will make table for second graph, okay, second equation, that is what, now equation for, now table for second graph, टेबल फॉर सेकेंड इक्वेशन. तो अगर आप सेकेंड इक्वेशन के लिए टेबल बनाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका, here is the, we have to take 4 values and then making the table. Now here is what, x and x y, x comma y. Okay, clear? So we have to make table for the second equation. Okay, जो जो आपके आएंगे second equation के लिए, that we will put in the table. Okay, जो जो वैल्यू जाएंगे, तो I am here solving here second equation. What is that? ये टेबल मैंने पहले बना दिया है, बट इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, वी कैन सॉल्व दिस. ओके, तो सिंस सेकंड इक्वेशन इज व्हाट, 3y माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4, देयरफॉर 3y इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 4. ओके, क्लियर? Now you may write, therefore y is equal to x plus 4 upon 3. Clear? x plus 4 upon 3. So देख लीजिए आप, x is what, suppose that we are taking x is equal to minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 plus 4 0, 0 upon 3, that is what, 0. So here is what, minus 4 comma 0. Clear? Now if x is equal to, suppose that we are taking minus 1, So minus 1 plus 4, that is what? 3. 3 upon 3, that is what? 1. Clear? Now if x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, so 2 plus 4, that is what? 6. 6 upon 3, that is what? 2. So here is what? 2 comma 2. Here is what? Minus 1 comma 1. Okay, this also completed. Now if x is equal to 5, suppose that x is equal to 5, so y is equal to what? 5 plus 4, 9. 9 upon 3, that is what? 3. So here is what? 5 comma 3. Clear? So you will get 5 comma 3. So both table you got from the both simultaneous equation. Now we have to solve the graph. Okay, so we are going to solve both equations graph. So I am solving here graph. Okay, now first of all I am making x axis and y axis. Okay, so x axis and y axis I am making. So what will be there? We just check here. Here is what? 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Clear? So here this is the graph. Okay, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? X, and here is what? X dash. Okay, here is what? Y dash. Y. Now 1 centimeter is equal to, now scale is what? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, on both axes. Clear? On both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Now we have to make the graph for that. So what is coming here? You just check how much you got here. For the first table we got what? Minus 1, minus 2. Okay, minus 1, minus 2 for the first equation. So minus 1, minus 2. Here is the minus 1, 0, and then in negative side there is the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 and minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so this is the point. Clear? Minus 1, minus 2. This is the point. now 2 0, 2 0, so 0 1 2 2 comma 0, so here is this 2 0. Okay, now 5 2, 5 2 will be what? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 and 2, 1 2. And next 8 4, 8 4 क्या है? That is 8 4, so 1 2 3 4 5 7 8, 4 1 2 3 4, so here is what? This point 8 comma 4, 8 4 5 2, 5 2 2 0, 2 0 is what? This. Okay, so this point is there 2 comma 0. Okay, so this point is here and minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so we are making a graph for that. Okay, so here we are getting minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, clear, and 2 0 and 5 2 and 8 4. ये है, and second is what? That is, so this graph completed. Now the second graph is there, minus 4 0. Okay, second graph, for the second graph, second equation, for the second equation graph is there minus 4 0. Okay, so I am making here second graph, that is minus 4 0. Okay, so here is what? 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Here is what? This is minus 4. Okay, minus 4 and 0, so this point is there, this point is minus 4 0. Okay, and next is what? That is minus 1 1, so minus 1 and 1, so point is there minus 1 1, and next 2 2, 1 2 2 1 2, so 2 comma 2. Okay, and 5 3, 5 3 is there, 5 1 2 3. Okay, and both will, we will check it. Okay, so both the graph are intersecting at point 84. Clear? So these both graph solution is 8 4. Clear? So you understood? तो क्या हो जाएगा, since both the graph are intersecting at point 84. Clear? Okay. Therefore the solution of both simultaneous equation is equal to 8 comma 4. Okay, clear? So this being completed. Okay, now this being completed, next